Okay, hopefully you will survive without seeing my beautiful face while I walk you through this. If you go to It's Learning Home, and I thought I already had it there, sorry. Click on our course. Once it opens, you go to the far side, what is that, the right? And click Add Assignment. When that opens, DBQ number 1, and then this is what I have for instructions. Open the attached DBQ document, follow the directions, you will have 48 minutes total. The actual AP exam will give you 45 minutes drive with 5 for upload, but we don't have that capability. Then you go down here to add files. I've already tested this. I just don't want to add another one where I can. And we load the DBQ. Now we go over to the side and we add schedule visibility. And we're going for the 21st. And my thought is 3:02, because that way, if they get there a little late for 3, to 3:50. That is their 48 minutes. Then the deadline, you have to have a deadline for it to do peer assessment. And we make it the same day, but we go 4 p.m. Now, once the deadline is passed, we want it to close. And then it will, once we do it to peer assess, it will automatically assign kids assessments. So we scroll down to assessment scale, and I'm thinking we do the 1 to 100 that we put at the top of the DBQ, and we can make that clear to the kids. We uncheck add to gradebook. We don't want that happening automatically. And then we click peer assessment. It says how many assessments per student? 2. That means each kid will assess and be assessed by 2 other kids. We'll leave status alone. Results are visible. Do we want to hide names? We can do that. That actually might be a good idea. So then we go down to create assignment. And yes, I just put it on my calendar, but I can go and get rid of it. So all the kids have gone anonymous now. It's not visible to students yet. And if you go into pupil, do today, nothing. We have a DBQ. So let me delete that because I actually think that's the one I put up earlier. Oh, I can't do it from a student view. Anyway, that's what I think we need to do. So watch this, let me know.